if someone really wants to make a change in this world, bring about some transformation, so many people go through their own crisis, their own sufferings. So if someone really wants to make a difference in the life of people, what do you think that that person should focus on? What do you think is that the most important thing your advice would be to such a person?
I read a nice quote which said, when I was young, I was very determined and smart. I wanted to change the world. And now I am old and wise. I want to change myself. So, yes, the change that we seek to make in the world, I think it comes from first working on ourselves. So, of course, we have a need to contribute. Contribution is a human need. To serve, to leave behind a legacy is one of the most basic human needs. We all have a desire to serve and give back, which is very healthy. We need to do that. But as we work on contribution, we also need to connect to ourselves, because we can't give the world what we don't have. If you don't have something, you can only give what you have. Or if you are really an instrument in the Lord's hands, even if you don't have something, you can always be an instrument. Basically, we need to connect to ourselves. We need to connect to power. We need to connect to a source beyond ourselves. We generally live in our heads, in our tiny space here. So as long as we live in the I, me and mine space, we can't really make a transformation in this world. We need to live in a space beyond my desires, my needs. So if you really want to make an impact in this world, my understanding is we need to spend at least some time in the universe space, or the Krishna space, or the God space, in a space where there is nothing for me. Generally, we calculate everything in terms of what's in it for me. So such a person will not be able to make an impact. I'm not saying that we can't take care of our needs. I'm just saying that we need to spend some time in the space which is far beyond me. So that could be hearing Srimad Bhagavatam club, that could be hearing Krishna's glories, that could be chanting, that could be anything, that could be different things for different people. So when I'm willing to be small in the face of this giant, beautiful universe, when I'm willing to feel small and yet feel loved, when I'm tiny and yet I belong, that's when we can make an impact. But if I'm the center of the universe, if I have a whole thing filled up here, then we are full of ourselves. Then we don't really make a positive impact in the world. We just simply carry our own inflated egos in different disguises. So I think the change will come when we work on ourselves and we focus more on making that small contribution, knowing our small tiny part in this universe and giving our best.
Thank you very much, bro.